So what we have got here is a little display case that I made for 1/64 scale cars. So inside here is a 1979 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, an example of a car, like so. That's it. Legendary vehicles. Came with V6s and V8s. Looks like that one's a 4-wheel drive. They're excellent vehicles. Chevrolet, like a rock. So anyhow, I've made this little display case. So what it is the back part is printed in white PLA, and the surround is a box in black PLA. Now what I've done is I've put the a white and then amber and red, green and blue LEDs in it, and they are facing that way. And up on top, the light travels up channels and exits through these cone-shaped holes at the top. And that then creates the nice splash of light against the back wall, as well as the lighting on the vehicle from above. So basically it's two parts that are 3D printed, designed in Design Spark, and just glued together like so. The white part over there, if I turn the power off, that's what that looks like. And over there, let's park the Chevy to one side, and the back part. Now I've just joined all the LEDs together, which I glued in with some UV cure to keep them steady. So it's just two parts to this. It takes about 6 hours to print the two parts, and you need about 60 grams of material. So currently I've got a 560 ohm resistor in series, and I'm running it off 20 volts, and we're getting some nice light out of it. The current is about 10 milliamps at this stage, so it makes for a nice display. There's the Mustang. So what's nice about these is you can now stack them. You can put them side by side, and you can stack them vertically as well. Makes for a very attractive display. One can have just white light, or one can have the multicolored lights. I think that the multiple colors creates a nice effect. Very attractive. It's not deep, it's 40 millimeters deep. The height is 80 millimeters, and the width is 100 millimeters. So that fits a 1/64 scale car nicely. Let's try a darker car. Let's put a Dodge Charger in there. Yep, the Dodge looks very nice in there, like so. Let's turn the lights out. So that's what it looks like in the dark. Nice and bright, nice and colourful. Nice way to display the cars. What one could do if one wanted to keep dust off them, putting the lights back on, is one could make a frame which holds a piece of glass that you glue onto the front to close this up, and then you'd solve the dust problem. That's easily done by 3D printing a frame for it, which takes a piece of glass. Then you just glue it closed once the vehicle's in. And that's it. I'm quite happy with the way it's turned out, and it's got this little bit that sticks out over here, which is also nice. Sort of adds to the splash of light that comes out of it. So that's what I've been busy with lately, is making some of these display cases for my cars. One can create a wall out of them. Need some power for the back. One can neaten that up and have yourself a nice feature in your house. The white PLA is quite nice. It is transparent to an extent, so one could backlight it if you wanted to. So I'm going to take this torch, turn on the side light, and there you now have backlighting. Put the Chevy back in there. So now it's backlit, like so. No, it's creating a silhouette. It's not really working for me, because what one wants is front light, and the lighting achieved, if I can get this torch off, by the interior lighting, I think is nicest. So I'm happy with the way that turned out. Yeah, it's cheap to make, it's quick to make. I'll put the files up on Thingiverse. It is parametric, so one could scale it for 1/64th scale models if one wanted to, and then one could just make a plan with the LEDs. The holes are going to be bigger here in the top. One could do something there to take care of that. But I like that. It's come out very pretty. That's been my weekend project, and I'm happy with it. It's time to make some more and stack them. See how that works out. So that's it. I'm going to conclude my rambling here. Take care, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks for being here. See you here next time for more fun stuff. Cheers.